Hello and welcome to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I want to draw a coffee glass logo. Okay, for the first, as usually, please activate some snap functions. There are free snap, snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, we start to draw this part. I think it is a circle. The diameter for the circle is 15, so select circle center with radius and type 15 divide by 2 as a radius. Okay, left click to put the circle on the screen and right click to escape. The next circle, we got data about the circle. The diameter is 39.5. Select circle center radius and type the radius. The radius is 39.5 divided by 2. Okay, left click to put the circle, right click to escape. Next, this line at the bottom side, the length is 52. Select horizontal and select end, snap point end, and type the length 52. Left click to put the line and right click to escape. Okay, next, I think we should start this line. It is a horizontal line. Select horizontal and type the length in the box 100. Select snap point N. Left click at the point there. Okay. Right click to escape. Now this line we use parallel. Select parallel line tool, and the distance is 4. And left click at the upside of the horizontal line and right click to escape. Okay, select again horizontal line. Okay, we will draw this part. It is the top the top of the circle, the small circle. Left click. Okay, and right click to escape. Okay, select again. Oh no. Select this line. I think the distance between this line to this line is same with this line to this line. Select the line and select move for copy tool. Left click at the reference point. Okay, and left click at target point, this line. Select keep original, click OK. Okay, we got this line for now. Press escape on your keyboard. Now, okay, select vertical line and select snap point start, the length in the box 100. Left click to put the vertical line, and then right click. Okay, we got the center of the circle. Now select circle center point, left click and bring the circle and create the circle like this. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, next, select 2 points line. We will draw helping line from this point into the center of the small circle. Right click to escape. Now select circle center point, left click and draw the circle. The point is the intersect. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, next, I want to draw this part. Okay, to draw this part is we need a circle 2 points. Select circle 2 points. Oh, sorry. Right click. We need to know this point. Use parallel and the distance is 8. Select parallel. Type the distance in box 8. Left click near the line. Right click to escape. Now select the circle 2 points. Left click at the point and to the top of the big circle. Right click to escape. Okay, we got the data about the circles. The circle is same. This is the sign. Select the circle. Select move for copy tool. Left click at the reference point. Put the circle into the target point, the top of our circle or big circle. Select it original, click OK, and press escape on your keyboard. Okay, next I think we should extend this line by click the node or the point, bring the line into the top of our circle. Okay, next time to delete unnecessary parts from the drawing. Okay, for the parts I think we delete this line. Okay, from the bottom side, yes, we don't need this one. Select divide tool. Okay, left click and left click at the point, the circle again, the point. Right click to escape, delete this line. Okay, next delete line, create line. Use 2 points. Left click and activate the restrict horizontal and create the line. Right click to escape. Okay, next use trim tool. Left click. Okay, and now select divide tool again. Okay, this one, the point. Oh, they activate restrict horizontal before. Sorry. The point, the circle again, and the point. Okay, right click, delete the unnecessary part. Select again divide tool. Click at the circle, the point, the circle, the point. Right click. Select the circle, the unnecessary part, delete. Okay, next now select trim tool. Left click at the circle and the line again. Right click again. Okay, next select trim tool. Left click at the circle and the line. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Now divide tool. Select divide. Okay, left click the circle, the point, the circle, the point, the circle, the point, the circle, and the point. Right click, we can delete the parts. Okay, next select trim tool. Left click at the line and the line we want to trim. Okay, right click. Okay, next right click again. Now divide tool, select divide. Left click the circle, the point, the circle, and the point. oh, I made a mistake, I think. Sorry. Yeah, we continue. The circle, the point, the circle, the point. Right click. Okay, I think we should. Okay. Copy this line. Select move for copy. Left click at the middle of the line and bring the line into this point. Select keep original. Click OK. Press escape on your keyboard. Oh, select trim. Left click at the arch and left click at the line. Right click again. Now select the arch, the part of the unnecessary part from the circle, and delete. Okay, next select 2 points line, draw line vertically like this. Okay, right click again. Okay, we can delete this one and select trim tool. I want to extend this line. Left click at the circle and the line. Right click again. Oh, this line also. Select trim tool. Left click at the circle and the line. Right click. Now select the vertical line and select trim tool and select the vertical line and left click at the circle you want to trim. Whoa. Okay, I'm sorry. Under button. Okay, I think we should use divide tool. Select divide. Left click at the circle, the point, the circle, and the point. We can delete the part. Okay, also this one. Yes, okay. Now select. Select trim tool. Left click at the arch and the line. Right click again. We can delete this one. Okay, so now select trim tool again. Left click at the line and the arch. Right click. Oh, select again trim tool. Oh, trim tool. Select trim tool. Left click. Okay, right click again. Now select 2 points. Left click and activate restrict horizontal. Right click. Select trim tool and left click for the first and the second line. Okay, right click to escape. Next, okay, select trim tool. Left click at the line and left click at the circle you want to trim. Oh, okay. Next circle. Yes. Right click again. Now select the drawing from this one and select edge tool, mark solid fill and click OK. Now select the glass and select edge tool and mark the solid fill, click OK. Okay, I think it's okay for today. Thank you very much for your attention in this video. I hope you can enjoy our LibreCAD learning. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. See you in next video and please subscribe to our channel LibreCAD tutorial. Thank you. Bye.